So I wanted to make a rig to combine smartphone with Joby tripod and a Rode wireless set for interviews or vlogging. I came up with this. I designed it in Fusion 360 and printed it on a Ender 3D printer. Let me show you its features. Clipping this over here, clipping the microphone this way or the other way. For an interview you can put it like this. Then to mount your smartphone, like that, and then simply push this in and connect the wire, and there you have it. Just in one hand, the receiver, a microphone and your smartphone. Like this you can change the setup. Thanks for watching.